What are you? Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. My name is Tawny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to achieve Kareena Kapoor's signature smoky eye makeup, and that too in blue tone. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial. I'm going to use serum first to get that soft look, and I will massage gently all over my face. Today I will not be using primer, but if you want, just go for it. We don't want too many layers because her makeup looks pretty natural. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a concealer which has almost similar shade as my skin tone and cover all my dark circles and dark spots and all the dull areas. Then I will take a wet beauty blender and blend everything nicely. For color correction, I will be using this light peach color today, as my dark circles are barely visible today. Otherwise, I would have applied orange shade. I will be applying this loose face powder after that to set everything. My lips are pretty dry today, so a clear lip balm is a must. Then I'm gonna apply my favorite foundation as it's perfect for my skin tone. Then I will blend it first with that same wet blender and set everything with some loose face powder. Then I will take a powder contour and contour my face. I could have cream contour my face too, but I wanted to make my makeup lighter today, just bare minimum, so that it looks gorgeous yet comfortable. Comment below if you prefer cream contouring every time you do your makeup, because that will definitely give you a better jawline. Please let me know. To get some shimmery blush, I'm going to use this Silk Rose blush from CoverGirl. As usual, I'm going to apply on the apple of my cheeks and a little on the tip of my nose. After that, I'm going to take a highlighter stick and highlight my face. Kareena's face is pretty chiseled, so proper highlighting and contouring is must for this look. Then again I will blend them nicely and set them with that loose face powder. Now I'm gonna take a nude lip liner and draw the outline. Kareena is wearing pretty light shade in this picture, so no drama today. Comment below if you think a darker lipstick would go better with this look. Then I will be taking this nude shade from Revlon and cover my lips. My lips are already soft because of that lip balm, so there will be no crease at all. I have applied a little bit of shine on top of it. Once I am done, I will draw my brows as natural as possible. Kareena's brows are thicker but have a natural shape. I will be mimicking that shape today. I will give you all the makeup detail in the description box below. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. A little bit of gel brow mascara to seal those. Then I will use a little bit of concealer to clean up the outlines. Then I will be taking this white shimmery shade and apply on the inner corner of my eyes, on lids and under the arch. It will highlight instantly while setting everything. Then I will take this dark purple shade and cover the outer V area. You have to be patient while doing this. Take your time and blend it as nicely as possible. After that, take this darkest blue shade and keep blending inward. Then I will take that white shade again and cut my crease. I normally don't do that without applying concealer, but I wanted to have less layers this time. To achieve this look, pencil eyeliner is must, so that you can blend them nicely with the rest of the eye makeup. Then I will take a black kajal and cover my lower lash line, and also slightly under the lower lash line, if that makes sense. To stop the kajal from spreading, I will be using this black eyeshadow powder and blend it with the kajal and little bit of outside. So today I will be applying powder and cream highlighters to achieve that wet look Kareena has in this picture. Clearly I need extra shine today. After powder contouring, I'm gonna apply this gold cream highlighter. My face looks very smooth and shiny. I know the camera is not doing the justice. Take any curler you have and curl your lashes before applying mascara. Also cut your lashes in size before gluing them. I apply my mascara off camera, but I will be applying again to blend my real and fake lashes together. Finally, I'm gonna take a setting spray and spray all over my face. It was definitely my version. You can also get other versions from other people. I really hope it was helpful for you. If you found it interesting, then please like this video and share with your friends and family. Also comment below, that will help other YouTubers to find this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. I love you guys so much. I will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, stay well. Bye.